Hello and welcome to all in this video lecture. Uh, my views on Engineers Day. So this is a very special day for all the engineers, and I am Dr. Neeraj Kumar Mishra. So today I am give my views on the Engineers Day and the current scenario of education system. So first thing, I give my best piece of advice to a student to follow the three word. First one is think, technology, and transfer. So think is like critical thinking and innovations. So critical thinking means we have to find some problems in our society, and accordingly we have to collect some data and analyze the data. After analyzing the data, the creativity will come, and the creativity come, then definitely the solution will come for a particular problem, and that solution is come in the real form or benefit to society. And the innovation is like beyond the textbook. It is like a innovation, or we say that novel work. So if you means develop the technology, that means it comes in the real world. So innovation is very important nowadays. And the technology transfer. So the last two word is technology transfer. So technology transfer it comes in many ways. Like if you see in some universities or some engineering or some higher institutes, so many students are doing some group discussions, or they participate in some uh, workshops or hackathon or some other special events. So that is also a like a knowledge improvement, and definitely some after some knowledge improvement, the technology will advance based on the student involvement. So nowadays this is very important because many things now come, because all like startup company or entrepreneurship come in the current scenario. So this technology transfer play a very important role. So now I'm going to discuss the technology transfer by engineering student. What is the role of engineering student in the technology transfer? So first important point is student engage in research. Means if we develop some advancement or advanced technology, so that means it comes in the commercial form. So it is possible if student involve more in the research. And the second one is internship and industry collaborations. So what is internship? Internship means student learn how the technology to be developed with the experts, and then it comes in the real world scenario. And definitely if the product to be if the product in the prototype model, so we need some industry tie-up or industry collaborations to manufacturing the product. And the last one is entrepreneurship and startup. Now this startup is like a direct form of technology transfer. So this is very important in the current scenario. Now what is the education outcomes? So one very famous word is that the root of education are bitter, but the fruit is sweet. So what is a bitter root? Because the roots are go to the very long or in the depth. That means the learning is not easy. It takes more time or more challenge to learn new things, and acquiring the knowledge. It also takes more hard work. And the fruit, if we talk about the fruit, so definitely the fruit of education is sweet, because we have means for all the difficulties of learning, that means some reward will be also become, that is sweet. So the benefit of education is like sweet. The outcomes is like personal growth, or we learn the human ethics, and we'll develop our knowledge, and of course we have more after that, the better career prospect. That is the outcomes. Now I am going to discuss the very important uh, point, like education 4.0. Previously it is education 1.0, then after that 2.0, then after that 3.0, but now it is updated model, and most of the institute or higher education institute is following this model in the education system. So I just give the highlight about this education 4.0. It is more dynamic, and this model is more focused on the creativity. And of course, in this model, student means the involvement to access the internet or learning is more in on the online platform system, because it is very easy. So education system needs the fourth industrial revolutions. Now the key feature, what is the key feature of an education 4? First is the personalized learning. So in personalized learning, we are using the digital model like projector or some PPT display, using advanced technology and some other technology like artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and the big data analysis. Or of course, some smart app is there to learning and advanced technology. That is the personalized learning. And the second one is technology enabled learning. So it also enhance the learning, or means a student must be more involved in the audio and video presentations. And the third one is lifelong learning. So lifelong learning means to acquire new skills like flexible learning environments. Not most of the higher educations is follow the flexible learning environment that is come in the education 4 model. Now education 4 model, what is the impact? So impact means workforce readlines student to be learn new skills or knowledge in this model, and the global competitions is there in the second point. And third one is equity and access. Now I'm going to discuss the education 4 challenges. So means the first one is digital divide. So that means all the students have no any facility to for internet or some advanced technology. That means the connectivity is an issue in the digital full model, because this model is more focused on the digital or some internet. So that is difficult in the education 4 model. And also the teacher training means if the new technology come, that means we have to equip the teacher with the skills and knowledge to effectively deliver the lectures. So that is a challenge in education 4 model. And of course all the data is in the digital form. That means the more data privacy and security are needed in this education 4 model, and that is a challenge. So this is my view of engineers day, and thank you very much to all to listen my presentation.